our company, the intro, and I'll give you some, provide some comprehensive solutions for you guys. And I'll introduce you our smart control system that's developed with us, and we co-design these with MicroBT as well. And introduce our mining boilers. More importantly, I will introduce you some cases and some projects we've been working on for the past 2-3 years, so you guys have an insight. And also, what you're about to see today, I'll give you a little, sneak preview, and we'll go from there. So about us, we are Heatcore Inc. We are focuses on providing integrated energy system. What is that? So we're committed to provide an overall solution for a integrated energy and mining system by integrating the electrical energy, hash power, and thermal energy. In other words, we want to utilize this heat, and we want to utilize the heat generated by the electric energies to effectively eliminate the zero carbon emissions. The carbon emissions of the traditional mining industry. And we are a MicroBT strategic partner, and as you can see, we cooperate a lot on our projects. And so we also design the whole cooling system. So with our system, with the biggest and newest and baddest miner from West Miner, we can make this happen. And we design these systems together. Right, so here's a little overview of how we're going to achieve that. So we all know, the hash rate is coming from the electrical energies, and right now we can turn the electrical energy, turn them into heat, and at over 95% electrical efficiency to turn to give you a scale like 1 megawatts of energy. A lot of us here are miners. We understand, we're talking megawatts. So 1 megawatt gives we can eliminate 7,000 tons of carbon emission per year just by utilizing the heat that was originally going to generate it, whether by gas or by other traditional methods. So our mission is empowering traditional industry and building zero carbon emission. Right? So our system, which you will have a view today at our showcase, is that contains a smart control system, and the mining boilers, we call them boilers. It's no longer miners anymore. They're boilers because they provide so much heat. And with all these, with integrated of however you want to utilize the heat, or dump it out if you don't need it. But we're a one-stop shop. We provide the solutions to all your needs with thermal energy. Right. So when we started this company, since 2017, 2016, at end of 2016, we have this concept. Why do we go with water? Right. So we're engineers. I'm an engineer, but so we believe water has better heat capacity. Right. It's better than oil. It's way better than air. So it takes much more heat from the system, and water also has better thermal conductivity, which means once we take the heat away, we can more sufficiently use that heat instead of storing it or waste it to harvest the energy. Right? So we take away more heat, and we transfer the temperature way faster. So our system, we designed it with this one mission in mind. We still do miners ourselves, and we're still miners, so we know what we want. Right? We want easy assemble, fast deployment. We want modular design, so you can have different systems for different sizes operations, and we can we fit any mining size, noise free. Oh my God! Today you go here, you go touch our system. You see how quiet it is. It's 55 dB within 1 meter, so you have no complaining neighbors, no matter the size of your mine. And environmental friendly, of course, the ESG. We keep that in mind when we're designing. Quick transport. We can use a forklift to quickly transport it. It's quick layout. And another thing, we designed this especially for flare gas sites and these known grids, not so clean energies. We can suit wide voltage range and wide frequency. Right, we can suit from 340 to 520 volts to suit all your voltages need. Whatever weird parameters you come up with, our system can handle that. And the frequency-wise, this is more for those not as clean energy electricity that we can eat away 45 to 65 hertz energy. Of course, heat utilization is our best. It's what we do at best. It's what we call heat core, and we can accept wide temperature degree, just like just described. Minus 47 Celsius degrees, 120, around 120 to 140. The range we can do them, and the best part about it, you can deploy a dry cooler, so we don't consume water, right? So we don't have to do wet cooling. We just use dry cooler to achieve net zero water consumption. This is huge, and I'll explain in our cases later. We're certified to do all these import, outport, certified in the United States, Canada, Russia, and other countries, and European leagues as well. And we'll have these are comprehensive solutions. I think Wright stole this page from me. So we do the greenhouse heating, the animal mining. We have successful cases on these. We're heating up the animals, heating up the plants, and industrial and residential heating, and pool heating as well. So we're using the heat generated by our hash to provide heat. It's basically we have a magic wand of free heat just using our system. Right, so here's our smart control system. It goes both ways. It controls the mining boilers, and for the heat dissipation, like I said, if you use heat, great. It reduces the carbon emission and also bring down your costs significantly. And but you're somewhere hot. Anybody here from Texas? Okay, well, if you're from Texas, provide air coolers and cooling towers as well. So if you don't want the heat, stomp it out. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, right? So for our smart control system, we designed this to be very easy installation. I think our partner Joe could appreciate that. And we have these leakage detection. It's all integrated with different, I think, so many sensors in there. And you can also control that very remotely, right? So you can have a remote command center, or you just have your guy oversee 10 megawatts of line with ease. So it brings down your maintenance cost significantly. Right, so for our mining boilers, our hydro cooling solution, I think Ryan already discussed a lot about this, so I won't talk more about it. But this is our new design we came up together. We really like it. We think it's a very elegant solution for hydro cooling. And so we've also designed different systems to hold different capacities, right? We're thinking about if we can diversify Bitcoin mining. So we designed this household HS20 series where it holds 2 miners, and it runs at, also we bring the voltages down so that it can support 3-phase 400 and 480, and we can even bring it down to normal household energy. Input it, put it in your home, heat up your pool. So this is what it's aiming for. We also have what you're going to see today, or a middle size, right? It comes with a smart control system. It doesn't have to be attended. It can be remote. It can be controlled remotely. Has very flexible installation. Within 1 day, you can deploy this. And this thing holds 8 to 10 miners, and that fits your more intermediate range. And we also have this N series where it holds 20 miners, all those big, beautiful, powerful Watts miners inside. And you can imagine this one, it consumes 200 kilowatts of power. So for traditionally, you have 1 megawatts of mine, you just deploy 5 of these in, and you got yourself a mine. So it saves a lot of space. It's very compact, and so it's modular assembly design. So say if you want like 800, just put 4 of these in. It'll suit your needs perfectly. It's very small. It's the size of a fridge. You'll see later in our showroom. And also, we're developing this container X series. It suits bigger needs. We can do this at very fast delivery with low failure rates. I'm not just talking about those robust, good Watts miners. I'm also talking about the system itself. It's very elegantly designed to reduce the failure rates, and it's easy to install and maintain. Our new series is my personal favorite. It's the methane green series. We designed these for flare gas sites and biogas sites, and we designed these for outdoor development, and has a net zero water consumption. It can fit all your need with any outdoor. You don't have to build a facility for it. Just put it there, make sure nobody steals it, and you're good to go. All right. So also because we're so focused on being environmental friendly, with all our new system, we practice concepts of recycling and circular economy. We all know miners they upgrade a lot right over the years. So with our modular design, we can take your retired hashboard and we can upgrade it to the latest and the baddest and the best sustainable solution. So we believe by using this, we generate no electric waste, and this is our company mission, right? We want to be environmental friendly. So here today, I think I'll show you for the first time some of our, because we've been quiet, we've been keeping it low key, and we want to show you for the first time some of the application cases we've been doing. So another, for heat providing, this is one of our projects from 3 years ago. We actually deployed these 10 megawatts projects in this region, and our integrated system has been running there, like I said, for 2 years, and we're heating up the entire town. By that, I mean we're heating up an area more than 1 million square feet. The entire county has a population who benefit from our system for over 20,000 residents. And during the winter, all of our heat is from heat core. And we also have some experience with the commercial building heat, and in this area, where in the winter the temperature dropped to -4 Fahrenheit. That's really cold, and we developed this 18 megawatts project to heat up the whole building. It was a shopping mall with over 1 million square feet, and so the entire winter is completely supported by our system. And also previously we're also very integrated in agricultural farms, so we provided constant heat. This is only a small project, so one end cabinet, you see, as I was describing before, we're heating up for 7 million striped bass, or California largemouth bass. And so for this fish mining project, with the combination of selling the fish, the profit from the hatch, we made our investment back in 5 months. So there's a lot of money in fish farming, folks, just so you know. And this one has been one of my favorite stable operations. It's been going on for 2 years. Right now, what we're in progress is that we're building this 20 megawatts of fish hatchery and fish farming in Northern Europe. And we're using almost 100% renewable energy with abundant hydropower resources. And that's a green oasis for our project. We're using green, we're basically generating carbon negative emission for this project. And so those salmons is gonna taste real good with heated up water. So what you will see today is that HeatCore, we're partnering up with Titan at Bellefonte, precisely why you're here in Bellefonte, is that we deployed a 0.5 megawatts demo site with the combination of space heating, hydroponic, and fish tank heating. So this is what you will see today, and we want you to experience firsthand how quiet and how elegant the system is running. So for our showroom, we provide long-term, we're gonna start a live stream later, and we're gonna start the live stream with the MicroBT gave us the cameras. You can show your clients anytime, anywhere, and show it to anyone that we're here, and we can just provide the live stream of how well these things are going for long term. Right, and so this is not just a showroom, we're also mining with the 0.5 megawatts, and we're profiting from the hash rate and from selling the microgreens and the fishes. And what I really want to share with you is what we're coming up with our recent breakthrough in the seawater desalination, utilizing our heat from hashing. And this is going to come out, so stay tuned. This is going to be we don't want to spoil anything, but this will be ready by the beginning of next year, 2023, and it will be ready for deployment. So we're really focusing on utilizing this heat. So what we're looking for today, brought you guys all here. We're looking for providing the hydro cooling system, and we also we're semiconductor heating. So any heat demand, talk to us. And we're also considering partnerships in heat utilization, and we want to set up funds to explore the new mining modes to battle critical climate issues. We can use methane and flare gas and biogas, and we can do traditional heating. We can transfer traditional heating to electric heating, right? We can turn those gas heating, those coal heating to better solutions, and we can bring fast response balance to the grids. That's actually one thing we're focused on doing, is that we want to help grids embracing the increased demand for the more and more the renewable energy that's going to be available to the market. Right. So this is me. Contact me. That's my email.